Alright, all you cool cats and kittens, this is Mr. Din. Go ahead and tell you how to do uh, checkpoint 5. Now, first of all, as you can see, only 88 of you have submitted checkpoint 4, which should have been your outline in the first place for your narrative. Now, a lot of people have been emailing me, and you'll probably receive an email back in the next day or so if you have not submitted your final product. Or, sorry, your checkpoint 4, about how to do this. And it basically comes down to talking about major incidents in your school, in your life. It can tie back to one of the major vignettes we talked about earlier, family, or whatever you did, and imagery. Now, if you don't know what imagery is, we do have resources down here that could tell you what imagery are. This is what you're here for. Now, if you're curious, the best way to do this is just select one of these prompts. Sorry, computer's a little laggy. One of these prompts here and write about it that way. This is just a suggestion. You don't have to do this, okay? And that's under the narrative prompt options. Now, if you submitted this and I've turned it green, which I should be doing in the next few days, then you're free to move on to checkpoint 5. You'll notice I've changed the submission date for this whole project to the end of the month. You have a ton of time to do this. Now, a lot of people are going, Mr. Din, what's the deal here? There's no image. Now, on the Google site, I believe I've added a link. It should be 2 weeks ago when it didn't work. See? If checkpoint 4 image won't load, here's the original Google document. That's where you'll find it. Now, as soon as you're done, if you want to submit early for theme analysis and paragraph, you can just make sure you finish whatever edits I may have given you for checkpoint 3. Copy and paste into here. Submit. Personal narrative, same deal. Finish up your draft. Okay? And just write out your whole story. Make sure it has sensory detail and dialogue. And then all you need to do is copy and paste into here. Make sure it's formatted correctly, and then submit it. Now, the next assignment you have for this week will be No Red Ink. Okay, if you haven't signed up for No Red Ink yet, I think there's only a few of you. You need to make sure it's done before the end of the week. We've been updated that recently. Most likely you won't be back for the end until the end of the year, so I'm gonna start doing videos like these more often, as well as videos of me just doing whatever I do, because believe it or not, I do miss all of you. As a reminder, you can take content assessments every day from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I'm online. I try to reply within like 3 to 5 minutes. You know, sometimes I gotta go to the bathroom, walk the dog, what have you. I will also be sending out a Discord link, which is a chat app, and you can always contact me on here, okay, if you need to. I call it the mentor server, but it's going to go out to everyone now because I do miss all of you. My only rule is that you change your name to the first and last name. If you don't, I will kick you within the hour, and if you join again without changing your name, I will ban you. How you change your name is to remember to just right-click your name, say change nickname, change to whatever you need to. First and last name, children. Besides that, I think that's it. I miss all of you, and I hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget to finish your, I believe it's Elements of Stories if you haven't done that yet either. Okay? Have a good one.